ActiveCampaign Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the ActiveCampaign Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with Active Email Marketing and Automation Platform and diving into their affiliate program. Make sure to check the description below for links to the product and affiliate program. ActiveCampaign is a powerful email marketing automation tool designed for businesses of all sizes. It's well known for its advanced automation features, such as automated workflows, personalized emails, and behavior tracking, which help businesses engage with their customers more effectively. The platform also includes CRM capabilities, which is fantastic for managing customer relationships and organizing your sales pipeline. One of its best features is its ease of use, despite the powerful functionality it offers, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Now, let's talk about Campaign Affiliate Program. As an affiliate, you can earn a commission for every referred customer, and the program offers some of the highest payouts in the industry. ActiveCampaign provides a 30% recurring commission for every sale you bring in. That means you can earn for as long as your referral stays a customer, which is an amazing opportunity for long-term passive income. In addition to the generous commissions, ActiveCampaign has an excellent affiliate dashboard where you can track your clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. They also provide affiliates with a variety of marketing materials like banners, links, and landing pages to make promotion as easy as possible. Plus, ActiveCampaign is a highly reputable brand, which means it's easier to promote because the tool is known for delivering excellent results. To sum it up, ActiveCampaign's affiliate program is ideal for anyone in the marketing space, whether you're a blogger, influencer, or digital marketer. With recurring commissions, high-quality resources, and an outstanding product, it's a program you can confidently promote. If you're interested in joining, check out the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.